Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, if you want to rebuild your master cylinder, we can do the work for you. We can brass sleeve master cylinders so that they last a long, long time and don't pit. And, of course, we have several piston kits for the real popular Mopar master cylinders. We got some of these tube seats that you can't find anymore. And, of course, we've got some check valves for the drum brake portion of the master cylinder. What do these little things do? I'll tell you what they do. They keep a couple pounds of pressure on that drum brake circuit to take up a little bit of slack so that that mechanism reacts a little bit faster. And they also found over the decades that oftentimes when the brakes were let off and the shoes would slam in, especially with very strong springs, that the wheel cylinders can ingest a little bit of air, and it would bring some air into the system. So they decided to come up with these little bitty pressure valves, 1, 2, 3 psi all. And so if it's under pressure and it's energized, then you don't get air in there, therefore contaminating the system. So there you go, my friends. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Moparing. Bye.